In this video, I'll be showing you what to do if you've forgotten your Apple account password. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's two different methods to do this, and I'll show you both of them. The first one is going over to your settings application, clicking your name at the very top, and then go to sign in security, which is the second option. Once you do, it's probably going to ask for your Face ID or your passcode. So just give it one of those two things. And then you're going to see change password as one of the options that like I do right there, right under security. So all I want to go ahead and do is click on change password and then just wait for it to load. Again, it's going to ask for Face ID verification. So just go ahead and give it that. And then you can go ahead and choose a new password if you want to. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Another method is going over to your browser of choice like Safari and then going over to Google and then going to iCloud login. And then when you go to iCloud login, for example, I'm signed into an account right now. And then when you go to iCloud login, click on sign in. And then on the bottom, it's going to say use different Apple account. So just use one. And then basically, what you want to do is enter your email and phone number, and then you want to reset your password through this because you're going to get a reset password option.